Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you another unique function in Excel. So today we have a small data set here. We have names, we have 5 data points, and in the second column we have some scores, and the scores are given over here for the respective names. Maybe some students and some scores are given over there. So today what I want to do is I want you guys to rank these scores in a particular order. Okay, so the scores are to be ranked. So how do we do that in Excel? In Excel there is a function called as rank, which can be used specifically to do this. So we start with the equal to sign, I give rank. You can see in the list there is a function called as rank. Now as you see in the rank function, you need to give 3 inputs. The first input is the number which I want to rank. In this case, that number is in the cell B2. That is my first input. So I need to separate it with a comma. The second input is the range of cells which I should use as a reference. In this case, all these values, which is starting from B2 is to B6, the entire range of cells. Among this range of cells, I need to find out the rank of this particular cell, which is 52. Okay, so that is the basic idea of using the rank function. So our second input is the cell reference, which I have given here. That is B2 is to B6, comma. The third input is I need to give the order, whether it should be in descending order or ascending order. Descending order is the highest value first. So the code is 0. So I have given 0 and I need to just press enter. So the rank is available here, which is 3. Now what I need to do is I need to do the ranking for all the other data points, the other 4 data points. I can't just click and drag because in the formula, if you look at it, I have relative referencing. Okay, so the B2 is to B6, the reference that is in relative referencing, which I don't want to change. I want B2 to change because every time when I move down, I want B2 to change, but I don't want B2 is to B6 to change when I drag the formula. So before I drag the formula, I need to do some changes in the referencing. Only then I can drag. Otherwise, for instance, when I drag it, B2 should change to B3 and B4, but whereas my cell reference for the reference variables shouldn't change. So here in the second input, I need to convert the relative referencing into absolute referencing. So changing this, how do we do that? We add $ symbol before and after the alphabet of the cell reference, which we have already discussed in the earlier videos. $B and then $6. By inserting the dollar, I convert this into an absolute reference. So now I can click and drag because now the cell reference for the variables will not change. So here, so now if I click and drag, you can see here, or I can just double click in the corner and you can see here the ranks appear where the 72 being the rank 1 and accordingly the rank has been done. So let me add the title as rank, let me do some formatting, let me add some border, let me add some color, make it bold and then align it center. So that's it. So this is a very important function. In some job interviews, I have seen this question coming up in some job interviews, so it will be very useful for you guys, the rank function. Thanks for joining. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share with your friends. Let everyone enjoy learning Excel. See you once again in another video. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.